Yeah, I was playing around with the 620 again yesterday. I raised it up an inch or so because it was just way too rough with it lowered all the way. But I also changed the door hinges because they were absolutely rooted. Now there's a trick for anyone with Datsun 620s is left and right door hinges are the same. So I took the ones from the my other 620 that I wrecked, and I stuck the passenger side ones on the driver's side because they've had barely any use. They've got no wear. I'll take you down the shed and I'll show you the old hinges on how bad they were. So as I said, these hinges were rooted, stuffed, you know, so to speak. You can see this one here. See the play in it? That's bad. Plus it's cracked. It's been welded a couple of times. Same with the bottom one. It's cracked straight through there and up there. It's no wonder the door gaps were way off and it wasn't shutting well, but it's no good. That's rubbish. So up and coming, I'm going to finish the old Fiat off here so I can get rivet. Then I'm going to buy a good petrol pressure washer so I can do small wet blasting jobs with grit media. So yeah, the Pontiac's up and coming as soon as I've got that done. So that'll be priority number one, getting the Pontiac finished. I may do little jobs in between as far as maintenance on my 620, my 260Z, so forth. The rest of today I'm going to do a shed cleanup. It's well overdue. All work, no clean is not good. So that's where we're at for now. If anything exciting comes up, I'll let you know.